Hello everyone. I have a 3,000-pound capacity forklift truck. It'd be perfect for the person who just wants to get the job done but does not want to make the forklift a high-dollar issue. Hello everybody. Thanks for taking the time to view the video on this cold, miserable winter day. Anyway, I thought it'd be easier to just make a quick video on this thing running so that it would answer a lot of your questions. The forklift is a Clark forklift and the capacity is 3,000 pounds. The 42-inch forks will lift over 15 feet. There's no side shift or attachment on it. It's just a forklift truck that will lift 3,000 pounds. So as you're watching the forks go up and down and tilt back and forth, everything works fine, but it does have an oil seal on the lift cylinder that's leaking, and that's really a consideration to get fixed. It really needs a seal in the bottom part of the mast. And this is my $1,300 forklift truck. Anybody that's seriously interested, you are welcome to call me for any of the rest of the details. Well, that pretty much wraps it up, folks. This is, it's a cute little truck, and it'll get the job done. It's for somebody that doesn't have a great budget, doesn't use the forklift a whole lot, but it'll sure do the job. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video.